So today in lab, you're going to be working on this metamorphic rock lab. The vocabularies will be, I'll have the sub put on the board. It is right here, these vocabulary words. These are key terms for metamorphic rocks, recrystallization and foliation. They're both important in terms of how those rocks form. And then you'll use these three terms, slaty foliation, schistose foliation, and gneissic texture or foliation, to help you identify the rocks in this lab that have those characteristics. So slaty foliation is going to will be exhibited by slate, schistose will be schist, and gneissic. And those are foliated rocks. The non-foliateds will be down here. We're not going to be using any of the ones that have various minerals, so that you can identify these rocks. So there's two samples in the set of rocks that we have that are non-foliated. So it'll be either anthracite coal, quartzite, or marble, and you can identify those based on what they're made out of. So think about what tests you could do to test quartz, test for quartz or calcite, or test for carbon. So think about that when you're identifying those. These, you'll use the vocabulary to help you identify the ones that have the foliated textures. So you can pause the video now and have them copy the vocabulary terms. So when you get to the second page after you've done the vocab, you'll see there's a column for foliated or non-foliated rocks. If they're foliated, you're going to use which of these three types it is. And then whether it's contact or regional metamorphism in this lab, what I'll have you do is anything that's up here is a regional. Anything down here is we'll consider it contact metamorphism, because they're the most common for the ones that are non-foliated. So the non-foliateds will be contact, the foliateds will be regional metamorphism. And one of the things that when you finally find out which rock it is, you can figure out what the parent rock is, because for just the top part of this chart, you have slate, which comes from shale. This, with more heat and pressure, creates phyllite. Phyllite creates schist. Schist will create gneiss. So these are the parents of the one below it, but not for these. These tell you where coal, bituminous coal is the parent for anthracite coal. Quartzite is quartz sandstone is the parent, and for marble it's dolostone or limestone. Metaconglomerate is conglomerate. So those are a couple things that you need to know to help you identify that. Do the best you can with these questions when you get done, and we'll go over these in the next lab class. Have a great day.